Hey everyone, welcome back. We're diving into a hot topic in the world of foldable smartphones. We're talking about the Pixel Fold 2 and why it should have included pen support, just like its rival, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. Let's get into it. The Pixel Fold 2 has been creating quite a buzz with its sleek design and impressive features. But one major feature it's missing is pen support. Now, you might be wondering, why is pen support so important? And why should it have been a part of the Pixel Fold 2? Let's start by looking at the Galaxy Z Fold's pen support. Samsung's flagship foldable comes with the S Pen, which has been a game changer for productivity and creativity. The S Pen allows users to take notes, sketch, and interact with the device in ways that a touchscreen alone can't match. It enhances the overall user experience, making the Z Fold a powerful tool for both work and play. Now, the Pixel Fold 2, despite its advancements, doesn't offer native pen support. And here's why that's a missed opportunity. For many users, especially those who rely on their devices for professional work, having pen support could elevate the Pixel Fold 2 from a great foldable to a must-have powerhouse. Imagine being able to jot down notes during a meeting, annotate important documents, or even unleash your inner artist with precision on a large foldable screen. Pen support can make a huge difference in these scenarios, providing a tactile and efficient way to interact with the device. Samsung's implementation of the S Pen is a prime example of how pen support can be seamlessly integrated into a foldable phone. It enhances multitasking, creativity, and overall productivity. The Pixel Fold 2, with its advanced specs and high-resolution display, would have greatly benefited from similar functionality. To sum it up, while the Pixel Fold 2 is an impressive device on its own, the lack of pen support is a notable omission. Including this feature would not only align it with competitors like the Galaxy Z Fold, but also significantly enhance its versatility and appeal to a broader range of users. What do you think? Should the Pixel Fold 2 have had pen support? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.